Today we show how to connect M3 lithium battery motor to Tuya app. First, we need to connect to the gateway. Short press the motor setting button 3 times. Then long press once to enter the network status. Long press the gateway to enter the flashing state. Open the Tuya app. Click on Add Device. Find and pair with the corresponding gateway. Open the gateway interface. Click Add Device below. Wait for the device to be detected. Then click Done after finding the device. Once added, you can control the curtains from the interface.